Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting problem, x plus 1 over x equals to square root of 2. And now we are going to find the value of x power 20, 21 plus 1 divided by x power 20, 21. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this equation x plus 1 over x equals to square root of 2. And here I have copied it down. And now let's go ahead and take the square on both sides. Let me go ahead and take a square on this side and the square on this side as well. Now let's recall this famous identity a plus b whole square. Now we are going to apply this identity. If I call this x as an a and 1 over x as a b, then we can expand this binomial as x square plus 2 times x times 1 over x plus 1 over x whole square equals to, on the right hand side, this square and square root, they undo each other, so we ended up with just simply 2. And now we can see that this x and 1 over x, they cancel each other out. So we can write this equation as x square plus 2 plus this 1 over x square is same as 1 divided by x square equals to 2. And now let's go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides. This is gone. This is gone. So we ended up with x square plus 1 over x square equal to 0. Now let's go ahead and remove this fraction. So I'm going to multiply by x square across the board with each and every term. So we got x square times x square is going to give us x power 4 plus this x square and x square, they cancel each other out. We got 1 equal to 0 times x square is same as 0. Let's move this 1 on the other side. So x power 4 turns out to be simply -1. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this expression x power 20, 21 plus 1 divided by x power 20, 21. And here I have copied it down. And now let's focus on this term x power 20, 21. And here I have copied it down. We can tweak this one. I can write x power 20, 21 as x power 20, 20 times x power 1, or simply x power 20, 20 times x. So therefore this expression could be written as x power 20, 20 times x plus 1 divided by, I'm going to replace this one by this one as well. So I can write x power 20, 20 times x. And now let's focus on this exponent 20, 20. And here I have copied it down. And now we can write this 20, 20 as 4 times 505. So let's go ahead and replace this 20, 20 and this 20, 20 by these two factors. So therefore we can write x power 4 times 505 times x plus 1 divided by x power 4 times 505 and then times x. And now let's recall this power rule of exponents. We can apply this rule on this part and this part as well. So therefore we can write that one as a nested exponent, x power 4 and power 505 times x plus 1 divided by x power 4 and then whole power 505 times x. And now let's look at this x power 4 and x power 4. And we know that x power 4 equals to -1. We figured it out in our previous step. So therefore, I'm going to replace them by -1. So therefore, I can write this one as -1 power 505 times x plus 1 divided by -1 power 505 times x. And now we can see that we got these odd powers 505. So therefore, -1 power 505 is going to be equal to -1 since we are dealing with the odd powers. So therefore, this expression could be written as -1 times x plus 1 divided by -1 times x. And now let's go ahead and bring this -1 outside. So therefore, we can write -1 and then times x plus 1 divided by x. But we know that our x plus 1 over x equals to square root of 2. So therefore, I am going to replace this one by square root of 2. So this one could be written as -1 times square root of 2, or simply our answer turns out to be negative square root of 2. So thus the value of this expression turns out to be negative square root of 2. So thus the value of x power 20, 21 plus 1 divided by 20, 21 turns out to be negative square root of 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.